Hey everyone, Pratap here this side. Um, so I have made a tool that I'm very eager to showcase right now over here with you guys. If you are a Flipkart seller and you're facing a hard time dealing with your settlements, if your settlements are too low than your target, or is it vice versa, and you have to do tons of settlement changes every day, then this tool is something that you can look at, and this will automate your stuff, save your tons of time, manpower, and whatnot. Let's dive into it, and I'll walk you through the product and how you can achieve this. To download this product, this is actually a zip file. You can easily download it, no need of installation. You just have to extract it. There's an exe file over there, run that one, sign up, log in, start using it. In this product, when I created it, I do not take any of your data. So if you are selling any of the product, your product details, your SKU, titles, settlements, and whatnot, all the stuff stays with you and in your machine. That's why I have made this particular application as an exe file. The only place when it needs an internet connection is to get your details, your if you are opting for a plan, like if your requirements are more than basics, you can go for the plans, and if it is not, then for sure you can continue with your basics plan and get the 100 counts that you get from the basic plan that I'll explain you later on. The first thing that you need to do is upload the listing file. So if you are a Flipkart seller, you already know how where you can find the all the listings of the Excel or CSV file. You can go to your listing tab, download all your listings, and upload your listing that latest one over here on this particular button. Click. The next thing you will notice is the process queue, or rather not the process queue, I'm sorry for that, products. You'll see this table populated with all of the data that you have. After that is done, you'll start seeing few of the statuses, but not all of them. These statuses are created dynamically as you go ahead. So if you see my status, it says that achieved, below target, above target. For this we need target value. Right now, when you have downloaded or rather uploaded your listing files, you may not have this target file. Either you can edit it with this pencil icons at each of the product, or you can download the template, edit all the stuff at once, and then re-upload the template over here at the upload target price. Initially, you will not see this processing queue. This will only appear when you select this process select. And how it works, I'll explain you all the details. Just follow up me. Now, this is automation script altogether in your system, and there is no need of API keys. So you do not need a developer key for this one. So that again makes it very secure. What we need is another tab. So when I click this add slot, it will open rather a tab, and over there I'm already redirected to the seller Flipkart URL. All you have to do is log in with your account, specifically to this specific to this account which you have uploaded the listing files. I cannot show you that screen because I have some credentials over there, so I'm doing it. But at the same time, you can watch over here. Slot got added, login is pending. I'm waiting for the OTP. I have received it. Let me add it there, and it should change it to ready state. The Okay, so I have one slot, one browser that is ready for the automation purpose. Now I can filter out what I need. So if you are a Flipkart seller, you know the pain points of a Flipkart. So you can only update like a Flipkart as per the rules of the Flipkart. Most of the products which are more than X rate, which is very less, like which is the products which are greater than maybe 150 or something, you can only update 2% of that particular settlement, uh, and that two times a day. This is for up, not the down. When you have to decrease it the other way around, you can straightforward go to the 30%. So Flipkart will allow you to down your rate by 30% at a time, and twice a day rather. X2. Okay. So for any reason your settlements are not matching your margins, for any reasons, whether you have opted for selling some of the products on a very low scale or low margin, or you are a startup and initially you decided that to sell the products to gain the customers, you want to sell it into very low margin, but later on you are struggling to get it into the margin value, and for all this stuff you can use this product. So now let me filter it. Let me only work on something that is below margin. I'll take, let's say, five of the products right now. Process selected. I'll see this process queue got updated and five of the process got added to it. The first process, I'll check the current update status of it. It says that's processing on slot 1. Right now on slot number 1 it is getting processed, and if I could show you the UI over there, the browser, it is all automated stuff, and it is clicking and updating, trying to update the price by its own with the automation scripts. And the moment it is done, you will see the history over here. So let's wait for a few seconds. There. So it completed two of two. That means at this particular day, the settlement, the new settlement that I have received is 469. It is less than the target yet because the system could only update it two times with the 2%, and it is still below target, but it has completed for the day. That two times, two of two. Last update date and other stuff. We can see the history over here. The same thing will go on for the other things automatically. Now let's talk about the other stuff, which is plans. When you extract it and use it, you are on a basic plan, but nevertheless you get like 100 products that you can update per day. So each day, if you have very limited products, you can for sure use it on a basic plan, and it will work very well for you. It's not only to reduce up the plan, that is to increase the target value, or rather the settlement value, pardon me for that, but it is also for reducing it. And those settings you can find over here. So allow price down Flipkart. Initially, this checkbox will be unchecked. You can check it out. You can check this particular checkbox, and this product will allow you to drop the prices as well. As the dropping the price is like a little risky, so we always give it in the settings with a checkbox that you assure that you have all these things in the senses that the price will be dropping if the tools will drop the price if the target is lower. If you do not want all the things to happen, you can always uncheck this text box, restart this particular application, and that would work for you. Lastly, the plans. Again, the plans. So we have bronze plans. So if you have more than 100 rows or 100 products that are there in your system, and you have to manage your active products, you can go for a bronze plan. It's a cheap one with some GSTs on it. but nevertheless you can claim it back because you are a Flipkart user and you might have a GST with you. Second thing, the promo code. I'll be adding some promo codes for you for sure. Probably there's one in the chat box or somewhere for 20% probably. You'll get unlimited rows, two parallel processing slots. That means if I go here, home tab, right now it's processing the fifth of fifth. But if I buy this particular plan, it would be double the speed and I could use two tabs for the automation scripts parallelly. Gold plan, it goes to 5 and even it goes to higher rate, but we do not recommend it. The recommended usage says there are some criterias that you should check out before you go above 5 slots. So you should have a stable high speed internet connection. Then your login session should be of multiple users. So you cannot use a single user login at 5 of the different slots. You have to use multiple of them so that you can achieve speed and accuracy. So how did you like the product? Please comment it out and do write to me if you are interested in it, and I'll surely get back to you on this. Thank you. Thank you again. Pratap here. Bye.